Hello friends, I welcome you all at Circuits Bazaar, and today in this video we are going to learn how we can make traffic light using LEDs in Tinkercad. So now you can see on the screen, this is the protocol of a traffic light. So there is a red light, then there will be a yellow light along with the red light, so that if there will be any vehicle in between the traffic light, that vehicle can pass through. Then there will be a green light, then again there will be a yellow light, so that it can allow any vehicle to pass through. If that vehicle is in between the traffic light, then again it will be red light. So this is basically protocol. It will keep on repeating, like first, second, third position, and it will keep on repeating again and again. This was the design which we have made in our third tutorial by the name multiple LED interfacing in Tinkercad. Okay, now to save the time, we are going to use the same design. So here everything is proper, like red LED, then yellow LED, then there is a blue LED. So instead of blue, we are going to make its color to red. It's blue, not red, sorry, we are going to make it green. So this is green LED, right? Now we need to program it, so just go to code. Not only code, but we are going to see the code blocks as well. So the code is not here, so there is no problem. We are going to create the code. So now you can see that we have a connected pin on pin number 11, 12 and 13. So in the code, we are going to take pin number 11, 12 and 13. Then there will be a wait, so you can go to control, then take a wait code block over here. So let's in the starting we are going to wait for 2 seconds. Okay, and so pin number 11 is green, then 12 is yellow, then 13 is red. So let's say first of all we are going to make pin number 11 high, then pin number 12, which is obviously yellow, and 13 which is red, we are going to make it low. Now we are going to copy it again, duplicate the block. So block is duplicated. Now over here we are going to make the same setting, but we are going to make pin number yellow, which is 12, pin number 12, making high. So let's say we are going to make it high for how much? 500 millisecond. Okay, now after that there will be, it was green, like pin number 11 was green. Now there will be red signal, which is obviously pin number 13. It's going to be high, so just copy it, duplicate the block. Okay, now green signal low, yellow signal low, and the red signal high. Okay, now after that again copy the block, duplicate it. Now if we see the protocol over here, there will be red, then there will be red green, but in the coding we have made it green, then there will be green yellow. So we have to change the yellow LED, red LED into green LED to match it with the code. So let's go to the code over here. So this is the circuit diagram. So this is actually green LED, but we are going to make it red. And then this red LED we are going to make it green. Okay, now just return back to the code, and here you can see that pin number 11 is now red LED, and pin number 12 is yellow LED, and pin number 13 is green LED. Okay, if you will look toward your code from the starting, then the red LED is high, then both the LED is low, then there will be red LED and yellow LED high for 500 millisecond, and then there will be red and yellow LED low and high LED for 500 millisecond, not 500, make it 2 seconds, not millisecond. Okay, now after that over here what's happening, green LED is high, then after immediately there will be yellow LED high according to the traffic light protocol. Like you can see over here, the green LED is high, after that immediately red LED will be high, but yellow and green LED will be low. So just return back to your code, and here just make low the yellow LED, red LED, and low the green LED, and make it high the yellow LED. Okay, and okay, it's okay, 500 millisecond is okay over here. Now just see the simulation. So return to the circuit and start simulating it. Now you can see red LED, then there will be for 500 millisecond yellow LED was along with the red LED. After this, for 500 millisecond yellow, then for 2 second red. So actually we are giving 2 second for green, 2 second for red LED, and 500 millisecond for yellow. So you can see that clearly it's running according to our protocol. Okay, so this is all about this traffic light project in Tinkercad. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep on learning, keep on exploring. Thank you.